Hello, girls and guys, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to RoboThoughts, the most excellent Zero to Hero series Python coding on Jetson Nano. Alright, guys, if you haven't bought a Jetson Nano yet, I would strongly recommend please go ahead and get one. It's easily available on Amazon or maybe in Nvidia site, and yeah, please make sure that I'm getting a lot of questions in this series in YouTube, that how do I connect into Wi-Fi, whether through a USB dongle port or any other method. Well, I would suggest going for the internal chip, the Wi-Fi chip from Intel, which is available totally as a package. You can get it in Amazon, and make sure that you start configuring that the way I showed you in the video number one, right? How to set it up from the basics. It's very simple, guys. You know what, all these lessons what I am teaching you on Python, you can obviously you can do it on your desktop, on your PC itself. However, there is a specific reason why I am insisting upon Jetson Nano, right? Goal is to take you guys from zero to hero. So when you reach that hero level, that means you are going to make robots like this. Can you see behind me? All these are pretty advanced level robotics, and I'm going to teach you how to build using Jetson Nano and Arduino microcontroller and bunch of sensors, and then you're going to deploy your code into Jetson Nano, and also you're going to build multiple artificial intelligence applications on the robot. So that's where you're going to lead. Of course, it's going to take quite a lot of effort and practice and stuff like that, but I'm going to show you systematically one by one. So that's the reason I'm insisting go ahead and pick it up, so that you get hands-on practice on the Linux terminal and on Python, and then you get exposed to the GPIO pins, and you are very much handy in using Jetson Nano, right? All right, guys, so where are we now? So we are on lesson number 86, Python coding on Jetson Nano. So today I am going to talk about while else statement. All right, so we had seen a couple of statements in the past in the previous videos, and now I am going to show you some basic examples of using a while and else in your code. Alright, I am going to log into my Jetson Nano, and I have already logged in. This is my terminal, and I am going to open up the Nano IDE. I think we already created a file by name while, right? Let me just check it. Nano while.py. Yep, there you go. Alright, so let me delete this code. Okay, now how do we use a while else statement? So basically, with the statement else as a keyword, else as a keyword statement, we can also run a block of code when the condition no longer is true. Okay, when the exact condition comes out and it's no longer true, the else statement will get into the next one, the next loop. So I'm going to show you how. So let's say I equals to 1, and we got to use a keyword while I is say less than say 6. Okay, just an example, less than 6, and then colon. Do not forget this colon, guys, it's very important. Okay, and indentation below while you have to give a space for the indentation. Print I. Okay, once you print I, and then what you got to do is I plus or equals 1. Okay, let me give a space between these two. Okay, sometimes and then what we got to do, else, right? Else colon, and then again print. Either you print while I is less than 6 and I in an incremental of 1, and then if it does not, else print. Okay, print in a double quote, I is no longer less than 6. Right, so let's see what happens, guys. How do we save it? Control O, remember, Control O, press enter, then Control X. You are out of the Python IDE, and now you are into your Jetson terminal. How do we execute that file? Python while.py. There you go, 1 2 3 4 5, and as soon as it reaches 6, it says I is no longer less than 6. Right, guys? So that's what it's all about. So I hope you understand this particular concept using while else statement. It's pretty simple and straightforward. Just practice this, and I'm going to get back to you soon in the next lesson. Very interesting lesson it's going to come up. All right, guys, do give me a thumbs up and like and subscribe to this video. Bye bye.